Hudl fan app. So how to install it? So just tab cat and double click to install it, and find watch follow. Everything you need to support schools, clubs, athletes, and teams. Find course schedules, highlights, live streams, tickets, and more, all in one place. So yeah, there you have it. So this is the app. It doesn't have that many ratings yet, but here you have it. You can search for a school, club, or athlete, and then just follow him or her on this app. Then you can just go and sign in. Here you can, for example, just log in with your account. That's your account created. You can just then search for some university. For example, you just favorite it here. You can see some teams, you can see all events, you can see past live streams, top videos. Here you can see your schools. So for example, you can just follow some athletes, again, see all the events and replays, highlights, and yeah, so that's kind of the app to follow. So there you have it.